Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What we have today is what we call a cold snap. After a hot, long summer, we have now hit 60 degrees, and today's high will be like 70. What are we going to do today, Jack?
So today, we're just going to get a scoop of this.
Root Keeper. This is what, the Root Keeper?
Mm-hmm.
We're going to get a scoop of the Root Keeper.
And then dump it in
1
here.
teaspoon per gallon. Jackson's going to mix it in with the water. What this will do is 20% humic acid along with mycorrhiza. It also contains bacillus, which is sold by a lot of companies as a biological fungicide. So it's a very great product, very natural. And what this will do with the cold snap breaking our rhythm in our plant growth, because they like the warm nights and the cloudy weather here is going to slow them down, we will boost their growth with Mark's Mix's Root Keeper. All right, and it is registered product with the state of Michigan, along with several other states. And you can see the list of ingredients at my site, WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, and Mark's Mixes. Jackson, show us. You're going to do what? Water the sunflowers?
Yeah.
Jackson's going to water the sunflowers.
And this is how you do it.
There you go, Jack. This is how you do it. You heard it straight from the mouth of babes. All right, we'll talk to you soon. Join us at Worldwide. What's that, Jack?
He's drinking that part.
It's drinking it up. Join us, WorldwideGiantGrowers.com, with Mark's Mixes for growing all your veggies, from green peppers to squash, zucchini, flowers, and more. Talk to you soon. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend.